Hey, I'm Hannah. I've been documenting my trading journey and I've just come back from Amsterdam. This is part 1. Guys, we have just arrived in Amsterdam. We're currently waiting in the hotel lobby. I believe we're staying in a place called Omval. Really nice hotel. It's the meetup venue hotel. I'm here with my friend. So we're currently just waiting because we're quite early. We left to go to the airport at like 3 in the morning because our flight was at 6. So yeah, now we've arrived and it's kind of raining, but for now we're just chilling, recharging, and this is just an update. Currently in no positions, the market's looking quite quiet. There are some setups that I am eyeing, which is like euro dollar long, so we'll see how we're reacting to certain key value areas. But for now, that's the update. So we're still in the lobby. We did do some work, but we didn't want to get carried away, so we're gonna stop. I'm starting to get a headache. I think we're gonna go get like breakfast, lunch, whatever. But yeah, I've just been doing some trading stuff, some content stuff, some marketing stuff, and it is raining, but we're gonna go out. And in this video, I actually wanted to talk about the do nothing approach, but I'll tell you about that later along the video. We're currently taking a break here in a coffee shop and I'm just checking the charts now. I've just taken this euro dollar trade at the 15-minute retrace. It was a risky trade, it's very ambitious, but the reason I'm taking this is because it's in a high value area. If you just jump back on the 4 hour, you'll see the triple bottom. Got 1, 2, 3. So guys, we have finally checked in to our room. It is pretty sick. This is our view, overlooking the river, and we got a pretty sick chair thing, and this is the workstation, really nice. And we have an espresso machine, I think. This is where nothing happens. I was gonna say the magic happens. This is where we are staying. And look how epic these prints are. Pretty tropical. I'm loving the vibe of this hotel. It was probably well worth it. Funny story is that I had actually reserved this hotel on booking.com thinking that reserve meant like, you know, I'll put it on hold but I won't pay, but it actually ended up meaning, you know, hold now, pay later, and I couldn't cancel it. But it works out, like, I mean, I'm really happy that we went with it, and I think it was just a blessing in disguise.
And I said, ooh, I'ma get a half of the town in a move. We be doing that in Kalamazoo. Thinking I went platinum the sound of the room. And people gonna be tracking me down with the truth. No, that's true. Oh, no, we don't lose. Oh, no, we get loose. Oh, no, how about you?
So guys, we have kind of settled in, and I just wanted to show you guys that I'm still in euro dollar. So I've been triggered in. I took an entry on the 15-minute retrace, which was true risk entry. I took it because of the higher time frame structure, and we had a clear triple bottom on the 4 hour. So it's kind of moving nicely. Haven't moved it to break even yet. I'm about to right now after this video, but that's the only position I'm in currently. And for that,
that's my baby, Caroline, you did fine. Mighty fine, shorty really blow the pine like a pro. Holy shit, I'm really lit. It's looking like it's about time. Fuck it up, Caroline, listen up. Don't wanna hear about your horoscope or what the future holds. Shut up and let's get going like a Tarantino movie. Don't wanna talk it out, can we fuck it out? Cause we gon' be up all night, fuck a decaf. You see I'm a tall thug, yes I'm a G-Rap. If you want safe sex, baby use the knee pads. Fuck you with this sticky icky, baby give me kitty. Killer, west side nigga. Boy, you like 98 degrees and I'm 300, nigga, keep your feet running. I keep when I eat these beats, better boy get stuck. Don't run up in my lane, I don't want you in my lane, you a lame, get stuck.
What is up, guys? So, just got back from the gym, going around Amsterdam for a little bit. We went to central Amsterdam, central station, whatever it is. But I'm back here, gonna chill for a bit, and I just wanted to sort of talk about what I said earlier, where I was gonna talk about the do nothing approach, which is sort of like my go-to approach when there isn't any setups that are forming that are from my plan. I think that's why having a trading plan is so important, because it helps you sort of keep on track with your trading, and it really is that bridge between, you know, if someone lacks patience, then it means that they just lack understanding or clarity in the markets, because they may not know what to wait for, right? Having a trading plan will help you to be patient, because it's as black and white as if there isn't any trades forming from in the markets that are part of my trading plan of my go-to setups, then I'm not going to take it. Of course, that requires discipline, but technically that is the rules, that is the guidelines. Well, for me, for sure, that I have set myself. If you don't have a trading plan, then it's sort of like you don't really know what you're waiting for. You don't really know the setups, your go-to setups. You're lacking this clarity. It's a bit ambiguous. So that's where impatience comes in, and you know, people always have to feel like they're doing something. That's why I love calling it like the do nothing approach. When things are sort of corrective in the market, like it has been for me personally. I know, you know, scalpers will probably love the corrective periods, but for me personally, I have not traded in like the past week and a half. So ultimately there will be those impulsive moves, but it's just like, can you be able to adhere to the do nothing approach when there are no setups from your trading plan? I think it's super important to understand the power of really doing nothing, like in terms of just being able to sit on your hands, be patient, and just wait for the market to show its hands, and, you know, just being prepared as always. So do nothing approach, corrective markets, when you're not spotting any, you know, quality setups, do nothing. Don't trade it. Don't bother about FOMO. If it's not in your plan, then you shouldn't take it. So that's what I really wanted to say about the do nothing approach.